These are our mulberry, dwarf mulberry trees. And I planted those last spring, I'd say. Maybe the year before. They might be like a year and a half old. But they're doing great, and I'm going to prune them in the spring. Hopefully get mulberries next year or the year after. Okay, and then this is the peach and plum orchard, which the bugs get, the worms and the mold get it. So that's another video, working on it. Here's the raspberries, my favorite fruit in the whole world. There are like 4 plants in here, and we trimmed them this year. Another video, trim your raspberries. We pruned that so that it didn't get too tall and lanky. It was hard to do because I'm like, oh, they're growing so well. I'm gonna cut them in half, but you have to do it. It's like cutting your hair. You have to do that. I mean, you don't have to, but it helps it grow healthy. Look at this. This is my dream. My dream is. So pretty. So pretty. Good girl. Good girl. You're so pretty too, yes. Hey, jealous. Hey. My battery's dying. It's so pretty out here. Look at this tree. So much oxygen. So much beauty. Look at it. It's like 65 out. 60. It is the most perfect morning. This is where I get all the mulch for my garden. I just let this go for a while. Then they come out and mow it, and then they come out and rake it. And then just rake up all the... I've already raked out here so you can't really see. Come here. Come on. Hay or whatever that the rabbit likes. And this will dry well. Like, this stuff is still alive actually. But when it dies and dries, the rabbit likes it as well. But I don't even know what it is. It's just grass, just hay. I don't know, but it's beautiful. I tried to grow corn out here. Look how far we are from the house. I tried to grow corn our first year out here, way out here. Like, no way to water it. No idea how much corn needed. Stuck it in the bare ground. That was 5 years ago. It makes you realize how far you come from your mistakes in gardening. So this here is the raspberry patch. They're just like little blackberries, little ground blackberries. And they are delicious. Try to keep this mowed a little bit so we can get around. I have an old well over here that I really want to look into. How do you fix an old well so you can use it? Wow, the sky is beautiful. Look at that. That is our pecan tree. That is an old pear tree. I don't know if you can see it over there. It puts out pears, but they just don't get big enough. It's way old, needs to be pruned. It's really beautiful though, but I want to plant more. This is the peach tree. There are 3 peach trees, and I think they're just old. and they weren't taken care of. They put out some peaches, but again, the worms and the mold get to them. Wow, what a beautiful morning. That's where we used to keep our chickens, in there. That's what that fence was for. Too far from the house. Again, predators. And that shed is going to get taken down because it's falling apart. It's not worth fixing. We're going to build a new one. Hopefully soon. You'll have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching.